Yes, this is the best exercise for the kidneys. In today's video, the best 10-minute home workout to lower your creatinine levels. Because exercising is the fastest way to improve our kidney health. So let's start moving now. Let's warm up a little bit. Katherine from Lateral here. Welcome to today's workout. And many of you asked me when the next workout was going to come out. So sorry for the long wait. And don't worry, more exercising videos are coming. Hands out now. And I know why you like this workout so much. Doing some easy, low-impact exercising at home is absolutely great for your kidneys. And it's also great when you feel a little tired or a little down and you want to feel better fast. Fact: exercising is the only thing in the world that's proven to lower blood pressure, lower blood glucose levels, and to lower cholesterol levels faster, safer, and more effectively than any known medication. This means that exercising regularly is a must if you care about the health of your kidneys. And yes, you can even lower your creatinine levels. Today's workout is a very easy routine anyone can do daily. It's a 10-minute interval workout plus the 3 or so minutes of warm-up we are already doing. This workout is suitable for seniors, for people with high blood pressure, and for people with kidney problems, obviously. But remember to talk to your doctor before starting a new training program if you have kidney disease, heart disease, or other conditions. Alright? And also, always do the exercises at your own pace. If you feel you're struggling, slow down, catch your breath, because exercising doesn't have to be hard to work. Just regular. Make sure you've got some water with you. Best if it's a small water bottle like this one I have here. Okay? We're going to need it today, and it's also a good habit to always have some water with you. Great for the kidneys. Okay. Now, let's do some side push. My feet are hip distance apart and I'm bending and stretching as I push the air away and twist through my torso, like this, okay? This is a great warm-up exercise. You should feel your abs here and your heart rates coming up. Push and push. Remember that exercising means to your kidneys more than you will ever know. And right, push, left, and push. Just a couple more reps. This one is not meant to be strenuous, just to warm you up a little bit. Okay, done. Okay, let's shake it down now. Time to start now. This is an interval workout. So we're going to have 50 seconds of exercise and 10 seconds of rest, okay? First exercise, the bottle swing. Interlock your fingers around a bottle. Feet are shoulder width apart. We're gonna swing the bottle between the legs and then upward overhead. Okay, I'm gonna use a small water bottle for this one. But if you don't have a small water bottle today, it's okay. Just swing an infant or a cat or whatever you can find lying around. No, I'm just kidding. Don't swing your cat. Just make a fist and use your hands if you don't have a water bottle. But you should definitely keep a water bottle around, you know, even just for the hydration. Okay, now let's start. Bottle between the legs and then, so let's start. Up and down. Down and up. So the emphasis is on the upward portion of the movement. bringing those hips forward, down and up. Feel that core engage. Down and up. We're looking for progress, not perfection. So anything that you do that's better than yesterday is a win. Down and up. Down and up. Okay, we're almost done. And stop. Next, from a standing position, raise your arms and then lower down, touch your knee. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. This is a full body exercise. It's great for your arms, for your back and legs. Do you know that exercising is not just great for the kidneys? It will really help with the immune system too. Really great, especially right now. Up and down. Also great for your posture and to fight muscle and back pain. Down and up. And up. Remember to extend your back all the way up when you raise your arms. Okay, we're almost there. Up, don't give up. 2, 1, and stop. Okay, next, hands up straight overhead. Palms facing inward and bend to the side. 2, 1, okay, let's start. To the right, back to square, and to the left. Keep the arms straight and try not to bend forward. Just to the side. Up. This is also a great stretch for the oblique. To the left, back to square, and to the right. You're really gonna feel that stretch on this one. Oh, this is great. And left. Almost finished. Okay. And stop. Whew. Lunge to the one side as you try to reach your foot. Okay, let's start. Left side, and up, and right side, and up. Don't worry, this one looks harder than it really is. Up, and down. And by the way guys, do you like my workouts? Are they too hard or too easy? Let's talk about it in comment section. Left, up, and right, and up. Left, up, and right, up. Left side, and up. Keep going. Never give up. And up. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, let's shake it out. Let's start with our legs wide apart and our arms up. And stretch. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and let's touch our toe. Up, right, toe, and up. Left, and up. If you can touch your toe, go for the knee. Up, and down. But the aim here is to touch our toe. Up, and down. Get a nice stretch, guys. Don't give up. And up. Up. And 2, 1. Very good. Okay, like before. Grab a bottle, feet are shoulder width apart, and let's start. Down and up. Okay, weights are not necessary, but they are a great way to make the blood run a little faster and to remove some cholesterol from the arteries. Because exercising will bring your cholesterol levels down faster than anything. Down and up. Down and up. Yes, this is the best exercise for the kidneys. So share this video with anyone you love. Down and up. Down and up. Okay, we're almost done. And stop. Next, from a standing position, raise your arms and then lower down, touch your knee. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Up and down. Up and down. If this is too easy, remember that you can use water bottles or small dumbbells to make it more challenging. Bend down. Remember to extend your back all the way up when you raise your arms. Up and down. Keep going. Never give up. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And down. Up. We're almost there. Okay. And down. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, let's shake it out. Next, hands up, straight overhead. Palms facing inward and bend to the side. Let's start. To the right, back to square, and to the left. Bend just as much as you're comfortable with. Back to square, and to the left. Right, and left. We're almost there. Don't give up. Get a nice stretch. Oh. And left. 2, 1, and stop. Okay. Next, lunge to one side as you try to reach your foot. 3, 2, 1. Start left side and up and then right. Up and down. Just keep going. Never give up. Left side and up and up. This is great for the legs and glutes. Up and up. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Just keep going. We're almost there. Up. Touch the toe and up. Down and up. Down. 2, 1. Okay. Whew. Okay, let's shake it out. Okay, last one. Try and touch our toe. And left. Touch the toe and up. Right. Up and down. Get a nice stretch. Down and up. If you can't touch your toe, don't worry. Go for the knees. Up and down. Left and up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Never give up. We're almost there, guys. Up and down. Up, down. Get a nice stretch. Down. Down. 2, 1. Here we go. We're done. Okay. Where is my ball? Oh, here it is. Okay, now. Here we go. Okay, guys. Today's was a quick one. And wait for the endorphin rush now. Oh, it's coming. Isn't the best sensation in the world, especially knowing that it's as good for you as it is for your kidneys? Because exercising is not all about burning calories or losing weight. Exercising is all about feeling better, feeling energized and happy. And remember that this is the best thing you can do for your kidneys ever. Yes, exercising is maybe the single most important step in protecting the health of your kidneys. But you know what? Eating is just as important. Speaking of which, there is a very interesting video coming next Friday, and I know you'll love it. It's going to be all about non-negotiable renal foods. Those foods you cannot miss in a renal diet no matter what. We are going to see which carb sources you need to eat, which vitamins, and more. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe if you already haven't, and double check that your notification bell is turned on. Okay guys, before your bodies cool down, do some stretching. Try my stretching video now. It's up here. And I really hope to see you next Friday. Until then, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. Thank you for watching.